News coming in from the Supreme Court. The Apex Court has criticized the Tamil Nadu governor for not appointing MLA K Ponmudi as the minister in the state government. This is breaking news coming in with the conviction being stayed in the Supreme Court in a disproportionate case. In fact, the court has said that they will have to make some serious observation, asking the attorney to inform the Tamil Nadu governor that the Supreme Court has taken a very serious view on this entire matter. Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, telling the Attorney General what we know from our sources. He said, and I quote, that we will give time until tomorrow for the governor to make up his mind. The Tamil Nadu governor, remember, RN Ravi has raised strong objections to appointing the MLA Ponmudi as the state minister. The Tamil Nadu government had then moved the Supreme Court against the governor's refusal to swear in the MLA. So the Supreme Court not very satisfied with this new development and even giving the governor time until tomorrow to make up his mind and swear in the minister in waiting. Purnima joins us for the very latest on this. Purnima, this would come as a huge relief for the Tamil Nadu government, who really have been putting their weight behind the MLA who approached the Supreme Court, with the Supreme Court now asking those very tough questions as to why the governor hasn't appointed the MLA into the state ministry.
Absolutely. It's a relief for the Tamil Nadu government, because the Tamil Nadu government had on Monday approached the Supreme Court against Governor RN Ravi's refusal to swear in Ponmudi as the minister. Remember, the governor had in fact rejected the recommendations made by the state government. In fact, the governor in the letter to Chief Minister said that it is constitutionally immoral for him to appoint Ponmudi as a minister, and Ponmudi was earlier convicted in December in the Madras High Court in a disproportionate assets case, and therefore he's disqualified as of December 2023. And after that, they moved the Supreme Court had in fact stayed the conviction, and then he was immediately made the MLA, and then recommendations were sent to the governor for the swearing in of Ponmudi. However, the governor sought time, took legal options, and then decided to reject the recommendation of the state government. And now the Supreme Court has asked some tough questions to the governor and has given time to the governor to respond within a day.
Why has the Tamil Nadu governor so far resisted to re-induct him as the minister in the state? Purnima, for the benefit of the audience, just tell us a little bit more about this disproportionate case and, you know, the tug of war between the Tamil Nadu government and the governor.
Well, in fact, in December, the case against Ponmudi was taken up by the Madras High Court. The Madras High Court was hearing a case against Ponmudi in a disproportionate assets case during the period when he was a minister between 2006 to 2011. And the Madras High Court said that based on the evidence, Ponmudi and his wife, both of them are convicted in a disproportionate assets case, and he was a minister between 2006 to 2011, and also said that they will be sentenced. However, immediately after that, the DMK minister had moved the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court took up this case and had in fact said that they stayed the conviction earlier this week, and after that, immediately the letter was sent to the governor to in fact ensure that the swearing in of Ponmudi takes place. However, governor had left for Delhi, and then when he returned, had sent the letter to the chief minister saying that Ponmudi's swearing in will not take place because it's constitutionally immoral. That was the exact statement that was sent to the chief minister, and after that they had moved to the Supreme Court. Now the Supreme Court has asked some tough questions to the governor.
Yes.
But words between the governor and the government is only going to escalate. We'll have to wait for the governor's response in this regard, and the observations that will be made in the Supreme Court tomorrow.
Well, the Supreme Court has given that time to the governor, as Purnima rightly suggested, that time until tomorrow has been given.